some mukbangs. I have some vlogs. I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like. I need you to share. I need you to subscribe, please.
What's going on, my people? Lee Mims here, Lee Mims Productions, on the channel of Queen of Trades. Like, share, subscribe with everyone you know, and let them know what's going on over here on this channel. This video is relatively short. It's entitled 5 Facts About Me. So, number one fact that you may not know about me is I am an only child. Number two, I am left-handed, but I play guitar right-handed. Number three, I love to create music. I love to create music. I could just talk about that forever. You know, I play bass, I play guitar, I play acoustic guitar, play a little bit of lap steel, a little bit of pedal steel, and I use keyboard in my productions and MIDI instruments. Okay, hence the name Lee Mims Productions. I do the music for this channel for Queen of Trades. And I lease instrumentals and things of that nature. Belong to stock music library and things of that nature. And my favorite 2 movies, which is number 4 of all time. It's very hard to narrow it down, but when you say of all time, it's going to be the most memorable movies for me. And that would be The Bodyguard is one. That's with Whitney Houston and Kevin Costner. And it encompasses music and action in the same movie. And for people who like a little bit of romance, that's in there too. And the second movie is Rocky IV, when he goes out to Russia and he fights Drago. His wife didn't even believe in him, and she eventually believes in him, and it's just crazy. I love the Rocky series, but Rocky IV is definitely my favorite. And number 5, my favorite hobbies of all time. Lifting weights, being a musician, and playing video games. Of the video games, my favorite video games is probably Madden, all-time Mortal Kombat back in the day from Nintendo, and then they made it a little bit newer on the newer systems. And I kind of like the shooter games like Modern Warfare, things of that nature. So, recap. I'm an only child. I'm left-handed, play guitar right-handed, love to create music. My favorite 2 movies of all time, which is number 4 of things you might know about me, is Bodyguard and Rocky IV. And number 5, my favorite hobbies of all time is lifting weights, being a musician, and playing video games. Like, share, subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and stay positive.
I have some mukbangs. I have some vlogs. I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like. I need you to share. I need you to describe, please.